Hello guys, today I will show you how to contact YouTube creator support team, that is contacting live chat for YouTube support. So in order to do this, open YouTube on any browser. You can just go to any browser, type in youtube.com and make sure you're logged in using user credentials on YouTube. Now after doing this, you will see this YouTube page. We'll have to just click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen, that is the YouTube's profile. Now you will see this list where you'll have to click on help and it will show up this small pop-up. Now in this pop-up it will show some popular help resources. You don't have to click on any one of these, just scroll down and click on the one that says contact us. When you click contact us, it will show up this step 1, 2 and 3. The step 1 is it will ask you what we can help with. So you just type in anything. I'm just typing in any letter and I will click on next. You can choose any of these options and scroll down and click on next. Now scroll down, click on next step again. Now at the third step, that is contact options, you'll have to click on the one that says chat. Click on chat and it will show up a 1 minute wait. Here you'll have to enter your channel's URL, that is your channel's link. So you'll have to basically enter your channel's URL. Now choose is your issue about a specific video. Choose yes or no, choose when did this issue occur and type in how they can help and click on start chat. Now when you click on start chat, you will be instantly taken to a page where you'll be easily able to contact YouTube creator support team, that is live chat. So that is how you contact YouTube creator support team. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.